What's going on YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today I'm here to unbox and review the Nike AIRMAX 90 Volt, okay? Let's take a look at these sneakers and let's see what it looks like. So if you don't have these sneakers yet, they come in a box that looks just like this, all right? Rectangle box, not square, rectangle, all right? Let's take a look at these things. Let's see what it looks like. Let me give you guys a 360 of these sneakers right here, all right? Let me show you guys the bottom of the sneaker. Let me show you guys the top of the sneaker, okay? First thing I notice about these sneakers, guys, I don't usually rock white sneakers because I don't like my sneakers getting dirty. You understand what I'm saying? But these sneakers are rocking because of the green Volt color. It makes the sneaker stand out. You got the gray in it, the black, and also the green color. This is a dope sneaker, all right? As you can see, AIRMAX 90s are one of the most comfortable sneakers you can wear. I bought a pair of AIRMAX 90s 3 years ago, and I still rock them today. I still got those sneakers today. They never got destroyed. They never got messed up. They just got a little dirty. You understand what I'm saying? These sneakers don't get destroyed easily. You know what I'm saying? You really gotta maybe like burn them or something like that for it to get destroyed. It might get dirty, but it's not gonna get destroyed easily. Very good quality. The bubbles underneath here made for comfortability, and you'll see how the heels underneath here are very thick. All right, these AIRMAX 90 here, I'll say these are dope colors. I can see me dressing down in these, and you know what I mean? It's dope. I love that it's got white laces. All right, it makes the sneaker look even better. Also, inside the box comes an arch support that you put inside of your shoe. Okay, it supports how your feet are shaped. All right, comes with the AIRMAX 90. All right, let's get back to these sneakers. So these sneakers right here, 120 retail. It was just released last month, January. All right, I've now come to the end of my video, guys. If you're new to this channel, please click that like button, click that subscribe button. All right, and if you're not new to this channel, you're already subscribed, click that like button, share my video. I appreciate everybody. And until next time, maybe I might see you with these on. Maybe I might not. Who knows? One easy.